So in Vectr, if you want to access out your profile settings, then you can go around and click on edit profile button right here. So once you go around over here, you get the edit profile button where you can go around and change out your display name as you like right here. And then you can also update your email address if you want to. You can also go around and add in a profile picture right here. In my case, I'm just going to go around and select my YouTube image right here, and you can go around and then crop out, let's say for example, a certain portion of the picture. Click on confirm, and then the profile picture is added, as you can see right here. You can also work around with the email right here, and it says I authorize Vectr to send me newsletters, or you can disable and enable this right here. If I were to go to password, you can set out your new password from over here as well. And you can go around and see your subscription settings right here on how much storage you have used, and you can upgrade or buy credit as well, and see your other account information over here just like this. So you can go around and then add in your username to confirm, and then delete your account as well. So that is how you can access and change around your profile settings as you like inside of Vectr as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.